Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a quick one, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. When you're on the go, what do you bring in your planner on the go bag? So I'm just throwing something together. I'm actually on my way to work and I'm going to be there a little bit longer. For those of you that don't know, I'm a nanny and my day is pretty flexible at a certain time. So some of the stuff I'm bringing, I actually have this Erin Condren pouch. This came in the summer box. So I have some of that. And I have my scissors, and in here, this sticker book I got from TJ Maxx. I have some highlighters, I have my jelly rolls, I just threw in another pen, and I am going to put in both my micro notes from, this is an actual Happy Planner micro notes, and this is my Zodiac one that I'm working on. And then this one is, I shared a DIY walking you guys through this. This one is all about positivity and everything, so I just want to be able to leave that in my bag. So I have this stuff that I can work on. And then also I'm bringing these Heidi Swap stickers. This is just a clear bag that I got from Walmart, and these stickers on the inside were from Tuesday morning. And again, those are Heidi Swap. I have some Etsy stickers here. I'm bringing my Maggie Home sticker book, my wellness sticker book, my classic size Happy Planner, and then also my mini Happy Planner, which I'll be sharing more details with you guys on this. And the bag that I'm using is my design, which is Crush the Chaos. And if you guys would like to have one of these for yourself, just leave me a comment below. So this is my Crush the Chaos Chaotic Critic bag here. And now I'm just going to fill my bag with all my stuff. I'm not bringing the whole world with me today, at least. And then also I'm going to be bringing my MacBook and my charger. So that has to come along, and all this has to fit in this bag, y'all. It all has to fit. So here's my charger, and then my MacBook. I'm actually going to turn the bag the other way and put my MacBook inside of here, and then also my external hard drive. So that is what I'm filling this with. And then of course my phone and my iPad is going to be coming with me as well. So usually when I go to work, I don't bring this much stuff, but because I'm going to be there later after the kids go to bed, and then the younger one, he has a 2-hour therapy session, so I have time on my hands there. So I'm able to work on my book, I'm able to get some planning done, I'm able to just have a little me time, and sometimes you have to bring all the things for your me time. So that is what I have inside of my planner bag for today, my on-the-go planner bag. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments section. What do you guys bring when you're on the go, when you're bringing planner stuff? Do you bring the whole world with you? Are there just certain items that you always have to have? Let me know in the comment section below. Of course, be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I'll have links to related videos, the planner I'm using, products featured, and all that good stuff, plus links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is Chaotic Critic. My Instagram is The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.